Love it or hate it, there's no denying the Tesla Cybertruck has made its mark. And for those looking to take their electric truck to the next level, meet the Space Camper Cap. This sleek, functional add-on transforms the Cybertruck into a mobile home or a versatile work van perfect for the modern adventurer. Designed to integrate seamlessly with Tesla's electric pickup, the Space Camper Cap reimagines the truck's profile. It raises the roofline by 5 inches, adding 40 inches of total usable space in the truck bed, great for hauling cargo or setting up a cozy camping setup. But what really makes this special? The options. You can fit a mattress for comfortable sleeping, add wall-mounted storage for all your essentials, and even set up LED lighting and a projector for the ultimate mobile home experience. Want to freshen up after a long day outdoors? There's an optional shower kit too. Despite the added bulk, the cap remains lightweight, just 170 pounds without extras. And while it does impact range slightly, expect a 4 to 9% reduction. It makes up for it with added functionality. Plus, the reinforced roof can hold up to 650 pounds when parked, making it a solid choice for roof tents and extra storage. Pricing starts at $6,385, with deliveries expected in June 2025. But remember, optional extras like a custom mattress, projector kit, and shower setup will push that cost higher. Of course, Space Camper isn't the only player in the game. Other companies like Cybertruck Co. offer similar conversions for $9,700 to $11,700, while Tesla's own Cybertent accessory is a budget $2,975, but it lacks the versatility of aftermarket setups. With over 38,000 Cybertrucks sold in 2024, the demand for custom accessories is growing fast. Whether you're gearing up for adventure or looking for a functional work upgrade, the Space Camper Cap adds a whole new dimension to Tesla's futuristic truck. What do you think? Does this camper setup make the Cybertruck the ultimate off-grid machine? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and automotive content.